Assalamualaikum to everyone. We are now here. This is all my things and Maria to send to Philippines. And guys, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Today is my vlog about my sending my things. Yeah, hi.
I am Niji. Hi, Makati.
Makati, and this is we're happy that they are early come to our place. And this is si Sir galing. Taga saan ka, Sir? Bong.
Kuya Niji.
Are you ready for me or no?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I take number first.
This is my one and only Makati.
Trusting cargo company. Yeah.
Dami nag-open ngayon ng kuya.
Uy, don't forget to message the Makati brands. They are now discounting. Yeah. Sa? We will give your number also. Don't forget Haji.
Niji.
Niji.
Niji Makati cargo.
Niji Makati Cargo. And this is my vlog today about... Sir, I am vlogging, you know. Yeah, I'm vlogging. Yeah, thank you so much. And don't forget to like, comment, and share. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. And don't forget that this is me, the IFW from Qatar, guys.